Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Carolina in Atlanta. So today I'm going to do 3 unboxing. 2 small leather goods and 1 bag, small bags from Louis Vuitton. So these are considered hard to get items, but I was lucky to be able to get it from Louis Vuitton website. So let's get started. This is the first one. So these are real unboxing because I haven't seen these. When they deliver, I just open but leave it like this so I can have a real unboxing now. Okay, I don't know what color in here because I got 2 of these. Dust bag with Louis Vuitton, and this is the first item, Damier Azur. Oh my god, it's so cute. I never had a bag with this color, so this is a good try for me. This is Damier Azur textile lining. There's the word here. The tag is made in France, Louis Vuitton, Paris. Detachable, so we can make it into a wristlet. Seen this either. So this is how they ship to our house. So the same canvas dust bag. I like this. It is so cute. This Mini Pochette has gold hardware with Damier Ebene. I'm not sure if I say it right. This one is made in France. Red interior. Textile lining with 1 Louis Vuitton Paris on each side. I managed to get these 2 items. How pretty. Loving these. This one I tried to get at the store around Christmas time, after Christmas, but I couldn't get it. But I managed to get it from the Louis Vuitton website. Oh, this one comes with a ribbon. Maybe they just wrap it for the bag, not the accessories. Yeah, I like the look of it when it comes with a ribbon like this. It looks more like a present to me. So this is the receipt. Okay, with the return label. Okay. And I still couldn't believe I could get it from the website. Let's open it. Never seen it in person either. Okay, so in the dust bag. Okay, so this is a big dust bag, and then it comes with 3 smaller dust bags. Okay. in the dust bag.
This large compartment can hold few things like the iPhone, key pouch, or even mini pochette.
Okay, see, this is the big one. The
Rose
clear color.
Looks very sporty.
Can you tell
with
what
the
it
gold
is?
hardware.
Okay, and inside is like brown. It comes with a strap, textile lining. Okay, so with one slip pocket in here, and it just said Louis Vuitton. A booklet. Then I check that later. And it just said Louis Vuitton, Paris. And in here, I don't know if you can see, it said Made in USA. In here. Just a piece of ribbon. And this is the second one, the medium size. It's a monogram textile
canvas.
lining. Okay. Very shiny gold hardware. Okay, and it just has the tag in here that Louis Vuitton Paris. It sounds
And
like
also
points in here, but it's
that
actually
in USA.
The chain for the bag.
This multi pochette accessoires will be very
smallest
good
one.
for traveling, especially for me. We can use the large pouch as a clutch with a chain or use it as a wristlet, and they will look good with a t-shirt and a jean or short or even skirt.
Look at this. It is so cute, right? And this one too. Thing is not supposed to be. All right, so let's hook it up together. See how it is. Look at this. It is cute, right? Okay, one. This side has a smaller monogram. Well, it's still one, but smaller. LV.
Compared to the mini pochette, the small pouch is a little bit bigger. It's about an inch bigger than the mini pochette. Now, let's compare to the Louis Vuitton favorite PM bag.
Okay.
The large pouch is a little bit bigger than this bag, favorite PM.
I love it. This one, this side, it has
It's a
bigger
little
monogram.
thinner, but it's softer, so it will hold a little more things. If we hook the chain to the mini pochette, we can use it as a clutch or a wristlet. Isn't it beautiful?
When I went on the website to check if they have any accessory that I like available, and I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw these two colors available, and I placed in carts right away and could get it these at the same time. I wanted to get one more with the monogram, but it wasn't available, so only these two. prepared this. Compare these.
I usually pack these items in my bag, but the most essential is hand sanitizer, band-aid, gum or floss, charging cable, and some snack. These two mini pochettes and a coin purse gonna be in my bag most of the time, unless I need to go somewhere quick like a gas station, or if I just need to take my kids to and back from school, then I will get one with the most essentials. Everyone has different needs, but these catch-all mini pochette will help you organize your bag efficiently.
What fits in these two. These are perfect. Okay, so I'm done unboxing these 3 items, and I felt so lucky that I could get video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment below. Have a blessed day. Bye.